Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's ibyl. Today you're tuning in for prep for shampoo day and visuals of me shampooing my locks. Y'all, shampoo day is literally my favorite self-care time. My locks absolutely love the water, and I give myself a really good massage and just how my locks feel when they're freshly shampooed. But I gotta admit, I procrastinate on shampooing my hair. My goal is about 14 to 21 days. And on the day that I'm supposed to shampoo my hair, usually I'll say, I'll do it tomorrow. But I went ahead and got this shampoo in, and I'm just showing you all some of my process. I am making sure that I comb through my locks with my hands to separate any locks. And I'm shaking out my locks as well to loosen any debris that may have been attached to my locks. And of course, I check my locks, inspect them for any debris, lint that may be on the surface that I can simply take off. I find that sometimes my scarf strings are in my hair, or hair from someone I've hugged, or maybe my hair has swiped something and it's now in the locks, like just mixed in, and I'm able to remove it before I shampoo. And I do this section by section, and I typically keep my hair in the sections while I'm shampooing because it's easier for me to manage my hair when it is section by section. My process before I shampoo takes about 30 minutes or so, sometimes a little bit less, but it is a must-do step. So if you're not inspecting your locks, combing through your locks, and shaking them out on a regular, but definitely before shampoo day, I encourage you to add it to your routine. Whether you have long locks or short locks, this step is important. For today's shampoo, I'm using my go-to clarifying shampoo by Suave. And I am trying out a new shampoo that I have not used before. It's by Carol's Daughter. It's the black vanilla, just showing the consistency. And it smells so good. So I am new to the leave-in conditioner as well. Doing the shampooing, I grab my first section and I saturate the locks with water. That is the first step before I apply any shampoo. I make sure that water is all throughout my locks. From the scalp all the way down the shaft of the lock, I am saturating my locks with water. I am pouring out my first portion of clarifying shampoo using the Suave. I start with my scalp and I get a really good massaging and focusing on that area before I shampoo the rest of the lock. And then I go into that same section with my second shampoo. And today I'm using the moisturizing shampoo by Carol's Daughter. And I thought it worked up a really good lather, and it just smells so good. It felt really good on my locks as well. As I continue to use the shampoo and watch and see how it works on my locks, I'll follow back up with more of my thoughts. But for day one of using this shampoo, I loved how it felt on my locks, how it smelled, and how my locks felt using it. But I'll follow with more details. So at the end of the process, I rinse out my locks all together, and then I prepare to squeeze out any remaining water. Just checking my scalp, making sure everything's good and clean, showing a little bit of the length. My locks are full of water at this point, and I'm preparing my locks to put in my t-shirt because cotton t-shirts suck up water really quickly. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, please press the subscribe button. Turn on your notifications so you'll be aware of my next video. And let's talk in the comments about anything about my routine that's similar to yours or any questions you have about my process.